Michael, you had the foresight, you saw the need, and we're very fortunate to partner with you to bring care to our most vulnerable and underserved communities.
A year ago, we were standing there opening up this clinic. And, I was so emotional about how it meant to my family. And to see how this has evolved over the last year is so gratifying. And it makes me want to continually do more so that we can keep answering the bell when the bell's ringing.
Over the last 12 months at the Freedom Drive location, we saw over 3,400 patients. And of those, almost 450 of them were kids and young adults under the age of 18. And honestly, the better news is that 870 of those patients officially made Novant Health Michael Jordan Family Medical Clinic their medical home.
Like I said, I've never not had insurance. So it was kind of difficult trying to maneuver everything. But with your help, Mr. Jordan, I was able to be seen, and I've got a primary care physician. They also see my daughter as well. And it was life-changing for us.
Over the past year, we've had 680 patients where we determined that they have a need outside of primary care, and they had visits with our social worker. That's 680 lives who left the clinic with more than just a medical prescription. They left with a food pharmacy prescription, or a bus pass, or a job fair resources, or housing solutions.
When I first went in, my A1C was 14.8. And if I had waited around hoping to get a job that would offer me health care, right? They said I would have died if I would have stayed away for another week. And now my A1C is at 6.6. Well, the last time it was taken.
I've always believed that things happen for a reason, and I think our relationship, all of us coming together, had a lot to do with that. And hearing the stories that I just heard reinforces that, that confidence that, things happen for a reason, and we are put on this earth in some ways to make a difference in whatever way we can. The bell is ringing, and we want to keep answering that bell.
And Michael, I can't tell you how successful this first clinic's been, and I know this second clinic is going to be. And I look forward to planning many more so that we can continue to improve the health of our communities, one person at a time, one zip code at a time.